Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Michelle Skirvin, and I am one of the health service managers. Have you ever wondered how you could be an aid to prevent COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus outbreak? Well, I'm here to show y'all some guidelines to follow. Today, I'm going to inform you about ways we can social distance and how we can prevent the disease using face masks and social distancing. Teaming up with the CDC guidelines, which have a lot of information to show you. Over the course of this year, 2020 has been a roller coaster with unexpected events, and one major event happened to be a pandemic. This has affected over 10.3 million Americans and resulted into over 2,400 deaths, and can affect a lot more if not taken seriously. COVID-19 is a new strand of coronavirus that has not been previously identified in humans. Coronavirus is a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness, ranging from the common cold to more severe disease, and can affect your respiratory system. So the first thing is, why should we social distance and from others, and why is it a major deal? There's many reasons that social distancing can affect the spread of COVID-19. One thing that can help prevent the spread is the spread happens when an infected person coughs, sneezes, and talks, and those respiratory droplets from their mouth and nose are launched into the air, which can land in your mouth, your nose, and can get you potentially sick. The droplets can also be inhaled into the lungs. Recent studies indicate that people who are infected but do not have symptoms likely also play a role in the spread of COVID-19, which is a big issue with social distancing because the people next to you can seem perfectly fine, but they have the COVID-19 and you can get it as well. COVID-19 can live for hours on surfaces depending on the factors of the sunlight, humidity, and the type of surfaces. So it's also a good thing to not touch railings and to use hand sanitizer and wash your hands as much as possible. Social distancing is especially important for people who are at higher risk for this disease, as older people over 65 or that have severe illnesses, they are more severe into this disease, so they should be taking this very seriously. COVID-19 can spread by person to person, and they might not have symptoms. And so another thing we should do is we should wear face masks or face coverings. The benefit of face coverings are that they are recommended as just a simple barrier to help protect with the respiratory droplets from people traveling into the air where other people have coughed or sneezed, and it just helps them. It's another barrier to help protect themselves as to others as well. When the person wearing the mask sneezes or coughs, those respiratory droplets can get into the air, and which will get into your lungs if not wearing a mask. COVID-19 can spread by person to person, and children under the age of 2 are not required to wear a mask due to breathing issues. But everybody above 2 years old should wear a mask or some type of face covering to help prevent the spread. In conclusion, this is why we should safely social distance and wear a face covering when out in public areas. I hope that you take these points into consideration and utilize the CDC guidelines to help you and your family and your community stay safe. Thank you.